Okay, get ready and start. Rules shall determine the age of such juvenile or child or a juvenile in conflict with the law within a period of 30 days from the date of making of the application for that purpose. Stop. The court or the board or as the case may be, the committee shall decide the juvenility or otherwise of the juvenile or the child, or as the case may be, the juvenile in conflict with law prima facie on the basis of physical appearance or documents if available, and send him to the observation home or in jail. Store. In every case concerning a child or juvenile in conflict with the law, the age determination inquiry shall be conducted by the court or the board, or as the case may be, the committee, by seeking evidence by obtaining the matriculation or equivalent certificates if available, and in the absence thereof. Store. The date of birth certificate from the school other than a place school first attended, and in the absence whereof. Stop. The birth certificate given by a corporation or a municipal authority or a panchayat, and only in the absence of either or of clause above, the medical opinion will be sought from a duly constituted medical board, which will declare the age of the juvenile or child. Stop. In case exact assessment of the age cannot be done, the court or the board, or as the case may be, the committee, for the reasons to be recorded by them, may, if considered necessary, give benefit to the child or juvenile by considering his her age or lower side within the margin of 1 year, and while passing orders in such case shall, after taking into consideration such evidence as may be available or the medical opinion as the case may be, record a finding in respect of his age, and either of the evidence specified in any of the clauses within bracket A 1, 2, 3, or in the absence thereof, clause B, shall be the conclusive proof of the age as regards such child or the juvenile in conflict with law. Stop. If the age of a juvenile or child or the juvenile in conflict with law is found to be below 18 years on the date of offence, on the basis of any of the conclusive proof specified in sub rule 3, the court or the board, or as the case may be, the committee, shall in writing pass an order stating the age and declaring the status of juvenility or otherwise for the purpose of the act, and these rules and a copy of the order shall be given to such juvenile or the person concerned stock.